Hey guys, welcome to the third tutorial video in the series. In the last couple of videos, we discussed about the rules, server basics, role info and notifications and gave you a general idea about how to get onto this server. If you notice, all the four channels I mentioned come under the same category called information, but there are many other categories on this server. Let's go through them one by one. Under the information category, you will notice that there is a category called notice board and it has four channels that are academic information, announcements, self-promotions and starboard. Now under academic info and announcements, you will find all the messages that need to be sent to the entire college that come from the authorities or from the GS. Okay. Now in the self-promotions, you will find information about webinars or internships or small courses and things like that that you can apply for. Under starboard, you will find messages that have been starred by a lot of people, so they automatically qualify as important. The next category you can see is Canteen. This category was put in solely for you guys because you're probably missing the fun of hanging out in the canteen with your friends. So here you can see there are multiple tables and all these tables have a voice channel, so you can join in with your friends and just hang out and reminisce your time in the canteen. After this, the next category you can see is BCR, and let's face it, BCR was basically the most popular place in college. So here we've tried to put in some fun games for you where you can challenge your wits with your bots, you can level up and you can challenge your friends and just kind of relive the BCR. After this, the next category you can see is the music room, and this is basically a lobby where you can join in with your friends and you can put up a playlist and you can just play the songs that you all like together. The next category is the VESIT council. This will of course vary on which council you're a part of, but here you can conduct your meetings and put in the messages that are directed to your council groups. The next category is your class. This again has four channels: updates, general, common voice chat and in charge talk. So under updates, it's basically the equivalent of your announcements group where the official information comes, and the general is the channel where you have your unofficial talks. Common voice chat is in case you ever need to hold a conference call with the entire class or a section of the class, and in charge talk is of course for just the class council. Under this, there are two categories called suggestions and request and help desk. So these two categories we will be addressing in a later video. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you about how to react to the messages that come on the groups. For example, go to the announcements channel. As you can see, the last message here is from Sports Notify. So how do you react to this? Do you see on top it's written VESIT announce and under that it's written @Sports Notify? Long press on that. So you will get all your common reactions over there. If the reaction you want to give is not a part of these reactions, go to the emoticon with the plus sign and you will get a comprehensive list of reactions that you can give. For now, I'm going to go with the thumbs up. See, it gets counted over here. Okay, now I will tell you about how to receive all the notifications from a particular channel. So in the list of channels over here, suppose I want to receive all the notifications from academic info. I will long press on academic info and it will give me a pop-up like this. Over here, I will go to notification settings and change it to all messages. Alright, so you can do this for all the important channels so that you can receive all the important notifications without fail. This is it from my side for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and watch out for more videos to come.